Welcome back, guys. I want to talk briefly on getting a digital certificate, and there are places you can get certificates. If you want to go into marketing or content management, you can get a certificate to back that skill up. I will show you free institutes where you can get that certificate. So I want you to come to eMarketing Institute to get skilled and get a certificate you can use on LinkedIn and you can approve on LinkedIn. So this is eMarketing Institute. Once I search it on Google, I'll come to eMarketing Institute to get free certificates. So some of these courses I've done, you can check them out. They are free courses and you get free certificate after writing their exams. Check the few courses they have out. They have e-commerce course and certification for free. You can do this, you read the text material and you come back to write the examination. Then we have affiliate marketing course, we have blogging course, we have content management course, we have email marketing course, we have online marketing course, we have SEO certification course, we have social media marketing course and certification, we have search engine marketing course and certification, we have web analytics course and certification. That's all the courses we have here. So you can click on any of these that interest you. You can click on it and get a certificate so you can use it to boost your LinkedIn profile. That's if you want to go into marketing anyways. And I think everyone should be in the business of marketing because you have to market yourself no matter the skill you have. So you can easily get skilled in terms of marketing here and get a certificate to back it up in case you want to freelance, in case you want to make your LinkedIn profile robust. This is one of the things you need to do. So I can come to this platform to log in my account. I have an account here already and I have some certificate there already. So I'm going to download some of these certificates. After you are done with the material and you've done the exam, you can as well download the certificates and come and upload on LinkedIn. I'll show you how to do that. These are the exams I've done and you can start your test. These are the exams credits and these are some of it I've not started the test, but I have some that I've done the exams and I passed and I have the certificate. So I'll come to my certificate to access them, and this is my certificate right here. You can start your exams. Just view all the courses and anyone that interests you, log into it and try to enroll for it, write the exams and pass the exams, then have the certificate. I'll add one of it to my profile and I'll add the many later. Anyways, I want to show you how to do it. So all I have to do is I have a social media marketing course. I'm going to download the certificate right here, and once I have the certificate downloaded, I'm going to be able to use it here on LinkedIn. So this is the certificate right here, and this is the complete certificate. This is certificate of completion and is awarded to me, beloved Alijigbe. This is it in October 2019, and the certificate number is right here. The exam name is social media marketing. So all I have to do is to come to my LinkedIn to upload that to boost my profile. So what I'm going to do is to come to my profile. I'm going to come here to my profile. I'm going to try to add profile session, and all I have to do is to come to recommended, and this is courses. I'm going to add it as courses and let's see how that goes. So the course name is social media marketing. I'm going to add that right away. Social media marketing. Here it is, and the number, I'm going to use this certificate number, of course. Let me just copy this. I'm going to use this, copy this certificate number. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it. Then is associated with me being a co-founder, student, founder, tech instructor at Udemy, founder at Billard Tech Academy. So I can just use this, founder at Billard Tech Academy, and I'll save that. Having to save it, let's see what it brings. I'll be able to save that course. Let's see what it looks like right now. So coming down here, I'm going to come down here. You'd see courses. These are projects, these are skills, these are courses, these are courses, these are interests, these are courses, as you can see it here. So this is how you can add courses to your profile just to make your profile robust. And aside from that, you can celebrate, you can make a post about it. I'm going to come to my media, or you start a post or come to media right here. So I'm going to start a post right now. I'm going to just post my certificate. So I'm going to come to upload and come to download. I've not downloaded it. Let me have that downloaded. So this is certificate of completion. I'm going to download it right here. And yeah, this is it right here. I'm going to download this. Having to download this, I'll come back to my LinkedIn, then I'll upload from computer. I'll upload this document from computer. So coming to my download, let's see, it's still not showing here yet. Oh, sorry, it's not media right now. since it's a PDF file, it's not media, it's not a picture, it's not a video, so it won't be media, it has to be document. So I'm going to come to document, add a document. I'm going to choose the document, which is this certificate, and I'm going to have this. You can as well have it as an image. All you have to do is to snip it, and to snip from your system, just come to snip, just type snipping tool. You see the snipping tool, you reduce the zoom level, just reduce it to like 67. Yeah, I'll reduce it to like 67. There are PDF to image converter as well, you can use that as well, but I want to use the snipping tool. So this is a snipping tool. I'm just going to snip this, then you can use it as an image. Let me just snip this right away. So I'll be able to snip that, and we can use an image instead of a document. So let's go back. This is the PDF. The PDF looks great. All I have to do is to click on social media marketing certificate. Okay, so I'm going to just post this done. Then you can talk about this, you can talk about you getting this certificate as a post. That's one of the ways to create content as well on LinkedIn, and I will not be doing that actually, but I want to show you something as well. You can add it to your licenses. Like I told you something about adding licenses, you can add it to your licenses. So let me add profile session, and let me come to my recommended, and here in my recommended you see licenses and certifications. So this is how to get free certification. I'm just going to hold on to licenses and certification, and I'm going to start typing the name. So the name of this certificate right here, I'm going to increase the zoom level back. Let me increase the zoom level back to like 75. The name of this certificate is social media marketing. Let's accept that. So it's social media marketing. I'm going to paste this, and the organization is eMarketing Institute. So let me choose the month of this certificate. Let's choose that. The month it was issued was 4 October 2019. So the month is 4 October 2019, and expiration date doesn't have any. Credential ID, so the credential ID is this number. I'm going to copy this number. This is the credential ID right here. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to come back here to paste that. And the certificate URL, these two as it's, all you have to do is to copy from here. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come and paste that right here. And having to do that, I'm going to add the skill I got during this certification, at least one skill to this license. And so this will be social media marketing, of course. That's the skill that was gotten. Then add media. You can add a link, you can just like this. So I can add a link easily, so but I've added a link, so all I have to do is to add an image. So I'm going to add the media. This is a PDF, you can add this PDF. So let me add the PDF. Let's see. And you can as well add an image, just like the one I snipped the other time. So I'm going to continue right here after adding the PDF, and here is the certificate of completion, so people can check it out. So you can write a description for the media. I don't think I need to write any description, and this is for me. This is the certificate. I can write a description, just copy this and say this is a certificate of completion. I'll paste what I copied, which is for completion, for fully completing. Okay, so I'm just going to put this, and topic of social media marketing. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to save this right here, and having to save it, the save was successful. I can share it. Your license or certification has been updated. Let's share the news with your network. So this is what I'll do next. You celebrate this. You can edit that by inputting your image, the certificate image. So I'm happy to share that I've obtained a new certification, social media marketing from eMarketing Institute. So all I have to do is to change this. I'm going to click on this to change this thumbnail. If I don't want this thumbnail, I can easily change it. So let's add a photo. I'm going to add my own picture from the one I snipped. I'm going to add the one I snipped, not quite long. So I'm going to click on picture and locate that. I have it right here. So I'm going to open this, and the one I snipped is right here. So I'm going to nest this right now and have this posted. That way I'll be able to get a certificate. Not only be able to get a certificate, I'll be able to create a content out of it. Not only being able to create a content out of it, I'll be able to add it to my licenses and certification here in my profile section, and this makes your profile more robust, so you can get skilled easily for free and come and post the certificate. So when you check out here, you're going to see the licenses and certification. You're going to see social media marketing from eMarketing Institute, of course, and I'm going to just come here and see a little bit of what I did, and you can add more licenses. Like I have more certificates, I'm going to add more licenses to this platform. So I'm going to just add it here. You can easily add here, you can easily remove, you can easily edit if you want to. If there's something you don't like about this, you can easily edit it. So this is something you can do. You can easily get certificates and come and edit right here, and you can delete your license or certification if you don't want this, or if you feel you have other certificates that would be of benefit to your profile and this is not anymore, you can delete it and add a new license. So that's how to add licenses and how to add credentials on LinkedIn. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.